Something smells like it's burning. What is going on in there? Something smells like it's burning.
It's probably getting hot.
Wow, look, you guys both got your hair blown. Logan, you got full of mud, man.
Went through a couple puddles.
Nice job.
Oh.
Wowza. So you got a little cutting edge on the door panel here. That way you don't get schmuckatelloed. Seat belts to hold the hood. Maybe that might be a little oil on the manifold there. Hey, which one of you Hanyaks did the smiley face on the hood? Love it. Okay, have fun, be safe.
Yeah, there ain't no scrap a lot over there.
All right.